For performance testing, we will need the corresponding infrastructure, which is the virtual machines with pre-installed and configured software. In other words, we will need a load testing stand. The diagram shows a such stand that we will create in the future. Each machine will be assigned with a corresponding role. For example, this one will have the web server role and an online store will be installed on it. This store will accept HTTP requests that will be sent from the second machine with the load generator role. A tool based on the Gatling framework will be responsible for generating these requests. The third machine will be responsible for monitoring and have the corresponding role. On this machine, we will install the Influx database. Then we will connect the Grafana web application to this database. This web application will be responsible for displaying graphs in the browser. The Telegraph agents will collect metrics into the database. These agents will be placed on each of the machines. We will use the Ansible tool to create a load testing stand and configure it. This tool will allow you to order virtual machines in a cloud service, assemble a Gatling load generator, assemble an eShop online store testing object, install Telegraph, Influx, Grafana, and do all this automatically. In the next video, we will try to order a virtual machine in the Yandex Cloud service, and also automate this process with Ansible. So we will learn more about Ansible in the next video.